Alright guys, so as you could see, we already started loading all kinds of parts for Snickers over here, and Snickers didn't get sold. Snickers got traded. What's over here is a 1979 F-150 Ranger XLT 4x4, and I don't know exactly what I'm going to call this. I've got a chocolate theme going on. I feel like this might need to be called like maybe Heath, maybe Reese's. I don't know. In the comment section below, you tell me. Ready?
Yeah. Turn it to the right, just a hair. Other way, I'm sorry. Right there. All right, straighten it out now. Where do you take your shit? good, you're good, you're good.
He's gonna close the door.
Well, this time we'll come to the shop. That's what I'm saying. Give me his number and I'll get him. All of this one. Go for a rip.
Okay. So it's safe to say I'm gonna have a lot of trouble with this because it's freaking awesome. Want to give me a little once over?
I guess we can. So we got a 2017 F-150 Coyote engine that it actually came out of a truck with a light interior fire, and it had 27,000 miles on it. Fat fender garage, computer mount, vintage air, power steering and compressor system on it, stock Mustang airbox. Tried to make it simple to where you could get parts along the road if you needed to.
What did you do suspension wise?
It's got a rough country 2-inch lift on it. Front end, you know, everything's been gone through. The rear end, everything's been gone through, and it's got the Eaton True Track in it, stock 350 gears. I mean, it was new stuff, but I kept with the 350s, which spin the tires enough, and and it'll do 85 mile an hour down the highway, no problem. AMD grill insert, new bumpers. Got the tow hooks on it.
Yep. I mean, I'm obsessed with this. What I love about it is my wife can easily hop in and drive it, and she's always talking about she wants something she could use. Look at how nice he made this interior. It's nothing crazy. It's just a Ranger XLT. It's got the Autometal Direct new wood grain parts, freewheel and co, seat cover, Dakota gauges, retro sound, vintage air. All the right goodies to make just a really good driver, and that's what I'm excited about. It's got new rubbers, you could tell, but I'm excited that I could actually use it, drive it. Snickers was such a long-term project, and I really want to work on Clyde and get that thing done. So I love dentsides. I wanted daily a denside, so we traded for this, and now we're going to finish working on Clyde, but today we got to finish putting together Snickers, so let's get back to it. Trying to make it into a shop truck. So I had one of my buddies who's fully painted or just kind of candy paint all over that. So it's funny we had to clean some of it up. The valve covers are going to go on there, aren't on there.
Once it's all lined up,
pretty cool. 300 horsepower. Godzilla motor with a big old whipple. And we're doing our best to not scratch anything. And in a second here, we're going to get it installed in that chassis. It's sad that we're doing all this work and the truck's gone. Start off with the sweat 'cause I'm about to wipe it anyway. All right, guys, it's honestly disgusting here. We're in Miami, and it's like August 3rd. If you're curious about what the weather is in Miami in August, horrible. This is disgusting. But Snickers is actually loaded in the trailer. I don't even know how I feel right now. Like, it's kind of emotional because it's official. Like, the truck's gone for now. It's not going to be mine, but when Aaron finishes it, it's not out of our lives. Aaron's a good buddy of mine. He said I can come enjoy it whenever I want. He's going to be at all the same events. He's going to try to get it to Super Nationals. He might even join us on our drive to SEMA. But what I'm super excited about is we got Clyde. And Carbon Clyde is what I want and need to focus on. This thing is way too cool, and it's just been sitting here. And I can't focus on both of these trucks at the same time. It takes a lot of mental capacity. And, you know, thinking 5 years into the future, Clyde has a lot more opportunities for me, in my opinion. But right now, we're going to keep loading up the rest of the stuff on this and enjoy the B-roll. All right, guys, now I'm wiping because it's raining. We just got caught in the rain, but luckily we got Snickers all loaded up. We got Brownie in the shop. I don't know what to name this thing yet. I'm thinking Heath, but jury's still out. Orange, tan. Look how beautiful the inside is. Now, the first thing I'm gonna do to it, all of you guys know I can't be caught riding on anything but Mickey's, so probably gonna go steal these wheels and tires, swap them over for now. Gonna go with some Skyjacker. I need to hit up Lindsay, figure out what kind of, you know, stained glass lights I should put on here. If you guys have any suggestions, you let me know. But other than that, I think we're gonna hang out. I don't really fully grasp the situation yet. I feel weird, but I feel excited. If I could actually get Clyde done for SEMA in 90 days from now, I feel like this would be worth it. I got this truck to enjoy. Brownie is now going to be officially for sale because I don't need 2 dentsides to daily drive. So if any of you guys are interested, we'll figure something out on here. This rain is not letting up, and it's actually coming in sideways. So I'm going to walk Aaron to his car, and I think this is where we're going to most likely be ending this video. Dude.
Thanks, buddy.
Thanks for going on this adventure with me. I can't wait to see what you do with Snickers.
Yep.
And I guess let's go.
All right.